To troubleshoot connection issues, you might need to hard or factory reset your Tozo T6 earbuds. Although there is no button function to directly reset the headphones like other devices, but according to Tozo, this process we're going to show you will serve the same purpose. So let's get going. Before you go, first just go ahead forget and unpair your Tozo buds from all the devices it's currently paired to. And after that, turn off Bluetooth on your device. Now just go ahead, grab both of your buds and then press and hold this touch control panel on both the earbuds for just 5 seconds till you see red flashing LED. The buds will turn off. Just wait for 10 seconds and then once again just press and hold this same touch panel for a few seconds till it turns on, and for a brief moment you will see a blue and purple LED. And after a few moments it will straight go into pairing mode with this red and blue flashing LED. That means the reset is complete. After that, just go ahead, pair it with the device of your choice. And hopefully whatever problem you were facing, this reset process will solve that. Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.